First thing first, click on the Tax Tools button at the left side of your screen. Then tap the Tools button just below it. A small window will appear, and click on Delete Form option right here. Here you may check all the form that you already did on the TurboTax. You may also delete any of them by clicking right here on the trash icon, and tap on Yes Delete. And if you want to preview the data from all of these forms, you may go back to the Tax Tools right here. Then tap on Tax Summary over here. This page will appear, and you may see your tax summary. You may also click on Preview My 1040 to see more detailed version of your taxes. Then scroll down to see all the tax information that you inputted before. You may also check your own state tax summary by clicking right here on your State Tax Summary button. There you go. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.